Welcome again to Budget with Brian, and this is the 10.8 Impact Shootout I said was coming. There are four models here for us to see today: a Bosch, a Milwaukee, the older Makita and the newer Makita, and of course there are others. There's Bosch and there's Fine and so on, but we have big names here. We have the most popular probably. So let's see how they go. The Bosch, you'll remember, has the ability to use the 1.5, 2 amp hour style batteries that came with it originally, but they upgraded to being able to put in a 4 amp hour battery in the same body. Milwaukee do the same. The older Makita doesn't. It just uses the original style battery for it, but they brought out the one with the slide battery. It's called the CXT. Charges very quickly with its new charger. It slips in and out easily from its catch, and this is the only one perhaps with a belt clip, if that's important to you. So all of them have forward and reverse, all of them have slow trigger speeds, all of them have an LED light to show you what you're doing. So in that sense, they're all very similar. This Makita, I think, is the brushless version, but I've never yet burnt out a set of brushes on a 10.8 unit. What we're going to use is a hexagon head screw so that we can eliminate any jumping out from the head with a Phillips or a number 2 head bit. So we're using a nut driver to make sure that we have an even test. So first of all, we're going to use the Bosch, and we're just going to fit the tool like so. We're going to put it to our piece of wood and drive. We're going to time this, but I'm going to over torque it too with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. So here we go. Ready? 1. To the bottom, in my rough, crude way of doing it. I'm not going to count taking them out, but that should come out hopefully fairly quickly. And it's going to be hot. So that's the Bosch. Now, I'm not going to burn my hand. I'm going to put the tool back in now to the Milwaukee. I'm going to count again and see how this one gets on. So ready to go. 1. 10, half the speed of the Bosch. Let's see how it goes with taking it out. Now that struck me as being very quick. So now we'll go to the original Makita. And the screw is very hot. So, are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 10, but that was quick. So the last one is the new Makita, the CXT. And ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that definitely was a 9. So 9 seconds going in. Let's see what it's like coming out. Well, I think those are fairly impressive tests, but in order not to disadvantage what we saw with the Bosch, let's put the 4 amp hour battery. It shouldn't make a difference because the size of the number of amp hours only says how much juice is in it, not how fast it's meant to perform. So we'll give it another chance. So, ready? 1. We may as well stop there. It's going to do exactly the same, isn't it? Now, I don't know what you thought, but the Milwaukee, which is a brand new tool, and the Makita performed very well. This didn't seem to make a big difference either, but they are brand new tools, the Milwaukee versus the Makita. Shall we give it a go? I'm going to find another screw for the moment, so watch the cut. I'll get the screw and then we'll do a pair together. Right, we're ready to go. Got 2 very similar screws. They're very fast, so I'm expecting similar results. But hey, let's give it a go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Well, I've got to say that the Makita, the Milwaukee went quicker. I'm not entirely sure that I put maximum pressure on the trigger. Overall, thank you for watching Budget with Brian. I think we've come up that the Milwaukee is pretty good. The Makita is pretty good. There's nothing wrong with the old Makita. But hey, Bosch. That one didn't perform quite as well, did it? Okay, so now I've got the Milwaukee in my left hand just to see that there's no problem with my left hand trigger finger. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, the Makita was still slightly behind, as you can see. I stopped at that point, just slightly behind. Okay, so what about weight? This feels a bit lighter than the Milwaukee. The Bosch is definitely the heaviest, not by a huge amount, but and the 2 Makitas about the same.
Okay.
Okay, so let's talk cost. Well, you're much more likely to get a deal on a Makita than I did on this as a body only. It was less than £30 as a body only. The body only on the older version, believe it or not, is more expensive. The Bosch, I bought it a long time ago, so I'm not sure where that is, but it is very much on par with new money Makitas. Don't often see quite as often body onlys, and Milwaukee is trying to build a cash for its name, and you know, it attracts a premium. And if you were to go on any Milwaukee platform or any of the other platforms, just think about what happens if you move to 38 or 18 volt range. It might have an impact. So